What's up, Ro Gang? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. Hit that subscribe button and that alert notification button so you don't miss a video. Now, what I'm doing here is I already showed you. If you have not seen my last video, go check that out. I will be listing it in this video. So I'm just going over the products that I use in this video and the last video that I showed you guys how to bleach the closure with. Okay, so for this video, today's hair will be a 14-inch Brazilian body wave from my hair collection, the 2.0 collection. Now, this is not a HD lace, but honey, when we finish bleaching this lace, it's gonna look HD. Okay. Now, y'all already know what to do. Take some foil paper, lay down your hair, and then, start your process. Or whatever. Remember, so we're going to be spraying our baby hairs down and combing them back so they don't get no bleach on them. Trust me, you're going to want to do this step. Now, the reason you guys don't see me mixing any bleach or developer in this video is because I did have some bleach left over from bleaching my closure. So I just go ahead and went and used that last little bit of product and put it on my hair. You guys, look how thick that is. That is so thick and pasty. That is exactly how you want your bleach to be, because you have absolutely no bleeding through your lace. Do you hear me? You want it to be a thick perm consistency, and I will also show you how to get that consistency. So keep watching. Guys, and if you haven't checked out my Instagram already, be sure to follow me on Instagram, okay? Follow me. I will list my Instagram in the video. So I am going to be mixing 1 scoop of bleach with some developer, and I'm going to be mixing that up really good to where it's a thick, creamy, pasty consistency. Like, when I say thick, I mean like frosting thick. And I just took a little sprinkles of some more bleach and I just added that to my bowl, because I did add a little bit too much developer. So anytime that happens, just go on with some more bleach and you'll be perfectly fine. Guys, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and become a part of the Ro Gang. Like, what you doing? Come on, sis. Just look how beautiful that lace is, okay? Do you see that? Like, it's no bleach, none bled through my lace. So yeah, make sure you get that thick, bleachy, pasty, creamy bleach powder going on, you know? I don't know what to call it. Just make sure it's thick so that it doesn't bleed through the lace. If you guys haven't seen my last video on how long to sit with the bleach on the lace, go check that out, and I will be listing that in the information box. Also, here I am also washing out the bleach, and I'm not using any gloves. So guys, please do use gloves. I felt like my index finger did start burning, even though I literally did not touch the bleach at all. So I just think it got on my finger. So now I'm going to take my neutralizing shampoo and I'm just going to be rubbing that all in. Make sure I get that all over my lace. And I'm going to make sure the lace is turned pink. Well, the soap has turned pink before I wash out the shampoo. And that's the way you will know that it really neutralized the bleach and there's no bleach in your lace. Look how beautiful that came out. You telling me that's not HD lace? No, you're lying. What? It's not HD? It looks like it. So now I'm going in for the second wash with my neutralizing shampoo, and I'm just going to make sure I get all the hair, like the places that I didn't wash the last time. I'm just going to make sure that I wash my lace and I wash all the hair this time. Also, notice how the shampoo is white on the second wash. So now I'm just making sure all the shampoo is rinsed out, and I'm going to wring out the hair and take my olive oil conditioner, and I'm going to put that all over the lace and also all over the hair to make sure, one, there's no shedding, and two, the hair has its moisture back in it. And now you want to make sure you comb through the hair to make sure there's absolutely no shedding or anything, no tangles, no shedding, no nada. Usually I let the conditioner sit in, but like I'm just going to wash the conditioner out right away. See that lace? Do you see that HD lace? Okay, because it wasn't HD lace before, but I turned it into HD lace. Sis, that is just beautiful. Okay, you did your thing, sis. We get the picture. Okay, stop showing off already. But if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you don't miss any new uploads. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.